Welcome to USAA Banking. Today, we'll explore the amazing benefits available to our members and how to make the most of your accounts. Let's highlight some of the key features of USAA Banking, including checking accounts, savings accounts, and certificates that cater to your financial needs. With USAA's mobile app, banking on the go has never been easier. You can access your accounts, deposit checks, and pay bills wherever you are. Did you know you can avoid monthly service fees? We'll explain how maintaining a minimum balance can save you money. USAA offers a robust ATM network. Let us show you how to find fee-free ATMs when you're out and about. USAA offers competitive interest rates on savings accounts, helping your money grow faster. Let's dive into the details. Our banking products are designed to work seamlessly with USAA insurance services, providing you with comprehensive financial solutions. Take advantage of budgeting tools and financial education resources available through USAA to help you manage your money effectively. USAA prides itself on exceptional customer support. Our dedicated team is here to assist you with any account management questions. Thank you for joining us. We hope you feel encouraged to explore all the fantastic features USAA Banking has to offer.